Japchae is usually sweet and savory. Today we're making it a little spicier with crunchy soybean sprouts and yubu. I soak the glass noodles well in cold water. This time, I'm not boiling them separately. They will finish cooking later while absorbing the seasoned broth. So give them enough time to soften properly before they go into the pan. Instead of plain water, I'm using a light broth made with dried shiitake and kombu. The flavor is subtle, but it adds a gentle savory depth behind the soy sauce and gochugaru. After making the broth, I slice it and add it back into the dish. Start by gently cooking the onion and carrot to bring out their aroma. There is no need to make them completely soft. A little texture works better here. And I'm using the shiitake too. Then add the soybean sprouts. For this recipe, I keep the pan uncovered from beginning to end. As everything cooks, the sprouts and onion will release some moisture of their own. Now add the soaked noodles and the spicy seasoned broth. From here, keep the heat fairly gentle. If the heat is too high, the liquid can evaporate before the noodles have time to absorb the flavor. Cook slowly over low to medium-low heat until the noodles become tender. I add the yubu near the very end. Yubu absorbs seasoning very quickly, so it does not need much cooking. Just toss it gently until the pieces are lightly coated. Even with only a short time in the pan, they pick up plenty of flavor. Turn off the heat, then finish with toasted sesame oil and sesame seeds. Adding the sesame oil at the end keeps its nutty aroma fresh. This japchae is noticeably spicier than the classic sweet version. And here is the best way to eat it. Instead of eating the noodles by themselves, pick up some soybean sprouts, onion, and yubu with them. The chewy noodles, crunchy vegetables, and yubu filled with spicy seasoning balance each other in the same bite. It is a different kind of japchae, spicy, fresh, and full of texture. Would you try your japchae with a little more heat?